mistake.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a great week. Earlier this week, I came across a feature of Zoom that I think is really cool and I want to share with you all. Essentially, if you record videos of your meetings to the cloud, there's a setting you can enable that will allow you to get transcriptions of the audio from your videos automatically. So basically, if you use the cloud recording feature and you enable this setting, when you view the recording of your Zoom meeting, you'll get a transcription that you can either overlay over the video or download as a text file, which is really cool. So to enable this, you're going to want to sign in, go to settings, and then go to the recording section of the settings. Now, first and foremost, you need to have cloud recording enabled. If you don't have cloud recording enabled, this will not work. It does not work if you record the videos locally. You need the cloud recording turned on. Once you have that turned on, simply come down and check off the audio transcript button in the settings here, and you're good to go. Now, if I jump over to this support article, what you can do to view your transcript is simply open the recording, and you'll actually get the transcription in a little sidebar on the side, as we can say here. And you can embed it right in the video simply by clicking the closed captioning icon on the video. So it embeds this transcription on the side. In addition to that, there is a search box. So you can search through the transcription if you're looking for a specific phrase. And you can also download the transcription as a text file, which is really cool. So one thing I did notice about this, I was playing with it. I'm just going to go to my recordings really quickly. And I had just done a test recording a little earlier today. And I recorded this at 12:36. It's currently 1:10, so it's been 40 minutes or so. And this is only a 14-second video, and the audio is still transcribing. So I think this takes a really long time. If you had an hour-long meeting or a 2-hour-long meeting and you wanted to get the transcript from that, I assume it probably will take overnight, if not a couple of days, to transcribe this, just based on how long it's taking for this 14-second video. I'm not entirely sure. This is the first time I've tried it. But in theory, this should work really well. I assume that the transcriptions are not going to be super accurate either. We'll have to see. I'm going to play with it a little bit more. I mean, in the Zoom support videos, it's always perfect, but in the real world, it's not going to work perfectly. So I'm going to tinker with this a little bit more. I record Zoom meetings regularly, and I'm going to just start checking this out to see how accurate it is. And I'll certainly let you know if I find out anything interesting. But I thought this was a pretty cool feature. Interestingly enough, this came about because a client had a question about Zoom. She was going to be giving a Zoom lesson, and one of the participants was going to be hearing disabled. So she was talking to me about closed captions and, in addition, transcribing the audio so this individual could then view the video with the transcription later. So that's a perfect application for something like this. And we'll see how this works. I'm going to continue to play with it and update you accordingly. And that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, hit that subscribe button. I release new tech tips every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. And check out the DAE.com for our full list of online workshops, private lessons, and all the other cool stuff we do, both online and in person. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me create, throw it in the comments and I'll do my best. Thanks and have a great day.